Hi, it's Michelle from CNC Designs. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in New Zealand, and I thought I'd bring you a couple quick tips today. First tip is that you should always keep your tools clean. So sometimes with your snips you might get some adhesive in where the blades are, like if you're cutting and you have your double-sided tape, or your bone folder gets a bit grubby. So things like that, you can put your bone folder into the sink and use some mild detergent, or you can use a wet wipe and just give it a good rub, clean it, especially all the adhesive and ink off of it, and just give it a nice clean and leave it to dry. The same with your scissors. You can just simply open them up and rub away from the blade to get all that adhesive sticky bits off there, which is good so you don't stick your card, get sticky on your card. And the reason that I'm doing this quick tip leads into my other little tip. I just made this card, and when I was using my bone folder to rub down the white layer onto the garden green card base, I got this yellow smudge. Now, I wasn't using yellow ink at all on my table, but I obviously had a bit of yellow ink on my bone folder, which transferred onto the card. So the tip for this is if you have a boo-boo, a mess up, whatever you want to call it, don't panic, don't throw it out. Grab your embellishments. So for here, I actually got some of my pearls, and I just placed my large pearl to cover as best as I can. Oh, the stickies come off there. To cover the spot that I want to cover, sticking everywhere but on my card. And then you can place some other pearls around. It's always best to have things in odd numbers. So for this one, I just decided to put 3 little pearls right there to cover it up. It doesn't cover it up completely, but it takes the eye away from it, and it almost hides it, so it's not as big of a mess. Other things you could do is you could, cut a little shape out. I was thinking of maybe putting a bee there, but it just didn't suit for this one. So those are 2 tips for you. 1, use your embellishments to cover up any errors or oopsie moments, as well as keep your tools clean, and then you might not have these issues. So I hope you liked that quick tip today. Give me a thumbs up, and you can click to subscribe so you don't miss out any tips in the near future. And I hope you have a lovely day. Thanks for watching. Bye.